if you want to take a little break and energize your mind and body with nature, spending half of your day here might be a good choice. Today, the Bangkok Post takes you to a seaside place for recreation in Samut Prakan, a neighboring province of Bangkok, and this place is set on the Gulf of Thailand with a variety of nature. And here you can take a walk along the bridge extending over the sea. And the highlight of this place that we should never miss is the flock of many thousands of seagulls that migrated from the cold weather to live in this seashore throughout the November to the late April. And towards the end of the year, people can come here feeding them and taking pictures with them. And another fun activity this place offers is the evening dance, which is held only on the third Saturday of each month. And lastly, the most perfect way to end a trip here is to peacefully watch the sunset and immerse yourself with the golden hour. So I hope you enjoyed our video today, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.